Echa Kabale kushashura biliyoni emwe hamwe na miliyoni 200 kiziriho bwa nyuma y'omuhwezi wa IGG Dr. Patricia Achano Okiria akahekiragiro ekyemyezi ebiri omukwamunana omwaka gw'2023 a company ya Multiplex Construction Company Limited kumaririza projects z'enguuto za Usmaid ezabire ziremere kukorwa omuri municipality ya Kabale arikushaba kureka okutwara omushango mukota habwo kucererwa. Project twariremu enguuto ezarushoroza hamwe na bwankosya zikagera okucererwa kw'amani hamwe na n'obutikiriza n'omundagano.
Kabale Municipality has been plugged into a liability of 1.2 billion. Leave alone the 1.9 billion that we ordered to pay. But we have been plugged into a liability of 1.2 billion by a mere letter writing, and this liability I've written because you have talked of public trust, you have tried of complying with the state laws, you have talked of respect for leadership, you have talked of protection of government entities.
Sentaro yaashaba office ya IGG hamwe na n'abebembezi bona okukwatanisa okumaraho obushomankuzi.
The people pledged to be the champions of corruption, and as people here we should be champions of corruption, starting with the Inspector General of Government. We should be champions of corruption. Those who have not done there, those who have not done their part, as far as leadership code is concerned, let's do it.
But it is actually the mayor who has caused that, because I was here, I guided the municipality on what to do. I told them about the danger of letting the contractor go to court, and I told them to sort the contractor early enough without having that accumulated debt burden. It is now an accumulated debt burden because the mayor went against my advice.
Yagira ngo umuntu kwarukora umurimo yagumara aine kushashurwa ari kugira ngo hanyuma ya contractor kumara umurimo akaba aine kushashurwa.
When you give a service, you get paid for what it is you have given. But when people refuse to pay in time, when the municipality did not pay, the contractor went to several offices. He went to Equal Opportunities Commission, he went to court, he went to Ministry of Finance, he went to several places. And then the accumulated interest also keeps on adding up. So this is what is owed to the contractor, and it is the obligation of the municipality to ensure that they pay.
Aba baba bari mu rukiko rwo kwegesa abakozi ba government ahakwanditse by'ubwiga hamwe na nevanja ngo muringo gumwe ogukuretaho uburinganiza na no kurwana sobushomankuzi.
Just to remind them about their obligation to declare, because it is a mandatory exercise, a mandatory requirement within the law. Within Section 5 and 4 of the Leadership Code Act, all leaders and public officers are supposed to declare their incomes, their assets and liabilities to the Inspectorate of Government. Leaders after every 2 years in the month of March, and public officers after every 5 years in the month of April.
We have detailed issues to do with the people who declared as public officer. Along the way they were promoted, now they are leaders. Those ones need to be updated on the system.
Well, as focal point persons, actually, I don't know our role this time around, because for what we did was inputting our staff, but the issue of changes, just a small thing, we don't have that right.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Nelson ahimbisubwe.